Hey guys, today I want to show you this new product I have. It's a RGB light bulb. I find it very interesting and inexpensive, and I think this is a good opportunity to incorporate this into your videos and increase the quality of your production at a low cost. So that's why I brought it in to test, but please feel free to let me know the possible applications of this. I just find it very interesting. Okay, so let's get on to testing it. So this is the head that I have that can use this type of light. It's an E27 light bulb head, so it works. Any E27 slot you have, you can use this with, including your house lights. Yeah, so I'm gonna actually turn off auto expose so that you can see the brightness of the units. So this is the control itself. I'm gonna activate the battery by taking out the safety slip. Okay, so battery activated. So it's a control to actually allow you to control the light bit. Okay, gonna plug it in. Okay, so that's the mode. Maybe it's a little bit too bright. Okay, so you can actually control the color of the light. Let's see, I tune down the light so it becomes dimmer. Okay, and then I can control under red, green, this is blue. You can change color based on the control you press. I think it's still too bright, this one. But of course, like if I allow auto exposure to turn on, then it becomes dark lah. So anyways, I'm gonna shine it on the wall so you can see it. You can see the wall. Okay, let me tune the camera. Okay, I think I just off it and fix the exposure. Okay, exposure fix, turn on. So you can see both the brightness and the color. Okay, let's do red. Okay, actually it doesn't look exactly, how to say, as how it's presented to me in my eye. I think it's because of the auto exposure. Okay, maybe I enable auto exposure. Okay, so this is the light. Okay, and this is the result. Okay, now I'm gonna change to green. So this is the light, and this is the result. Okay, change to blue, the light, and the result. Okay, then it's kind of orange, and this is the result, like orange kind of tone. Wait, let me off the ambient light. Yeah, there we go. Okay, again, sorry. Okay, red. Okay, red. Okay, green. Okay, green. Blue. Okay, blue. Okay, orange. Okay, orange. Another tone of green. Okay, this lighter orange. And this cyan. Okay. So dark purple kind of tone. Okay. This one yellow. I think this is peacock blue. Interesting. Purple. Okay. Yellow. Okay. Okay. Purple. Another type of purple. Okay, then now there's like different modes. This one increases the brightness. Okay, this one makes it low, makes it high. Okay, off and on. Okay. What's this? White. Oh, you get white light as well. Interesting. Okay, then there's like different modes. Not sure if you can see it. There are different modes here. Let me off it. Not sure if you can see. Can we on it back? Yeah, why I cannot on back? Oh yeah, press wrong. Okay, there's different modes. There's like flash, strobe, fade, and smooth. So let's do flash. So you actually change the color. How is this one? Okay. And this one. Okay, so it's like a seamless change of the light. Then this one, it's like a strobe kind of mode. So yeah. So let's do white. And yeah, so there you go. This is the product that I'm selling you. This is the bulb itself, but of course, like there's an option to get like a set, like this kind of light, like a light head like this. I will demonstrate this in another video. So with this kind of light, let me show you. So you can put like one of these bulbs inside, then you get a softbox kind of thing. And this is how it looks like after it's set up. So the stand, how to say, the stand, I actually put the price later. The stand is like 30 plus, and the head, and then inside there's like a diffuser. Then inside there's the bulb lah. First, this is another bulb. I'll make another video for this bulb. This is a 200-watt bulb. Alright, so there you go. Thanks everyone for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. And thank you. Bye. God bless. Okay, now I actually put in the RGB light bulb inside, so you can see the room now. Let me show you the remote and the light effects. Okay, so right now let's change it to red color. So with red, I off, on, green, okay, different modes, okay. Sorry for the out of focus. Okay, so yeah, there you go. So this is how it looks like, the RGB on the softbox. Yeah. I can think of a few potential applications of this. Just that, how to say, you might have better ideas than me. So any suggestion you can let me know. But of course, I'm opening this product for sale. It's actually very cheap. It's like 50 ringgit or less or something like that. So yeah, I think it's a potential game changer in terms of lighting for video sets and many more other applications. So yeah, off and on, red color, without, with, white color, without, with. I think white color is more powerful because it's a combination of the colors. probably so, but can tune down the power, tune up, tune down, tune up. But yeah, alright. Thank you everyone for watching this. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share, and thank you. See you, bye, God bless.